What's up, guys? If you think you've seen it all in Dubai or outside of Dubai, think again. I'm sure you haven't seen the racetrack in Al Marmoom, which is a camel racetrack, kind of unique and different. About an hour away from Dubai, close to Dubai Sevens, and it's quite unique to see those camel racing. There's the guys, Emiratis, in their cars following the camels, and we're just gonna do exactly that. I'll see you there. Okay, the race is on. So I have no idea, but I'm following here's a bunch of cars and some camels on the right. So those camels, and there's no one on the top of those camels. There's just a jockey, which is like a robot. And I think those guys are having a remote control in their hands. This track is 6 kilometers, but there's another one here which is like 8. So as you can see, I mean, this is a huge freaking track here. So this camel race is shit funny. I mean, there's one race after another. So once the one race around the 6 kilometer track is done, the next race pretty much starts right away. And this is gonna carry on. I mean, it's right now, it's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. This is gonna carry on until 4 today. And those races are not happening every day, but there is a schedule on the Dubai Camel Racing Track website. And yeah, just follow there when those races are taking place. And you can go and see it free of charge and actually drive around with the guys who are interested in their own camel. So there's a camel market also not that far away from here, and there's a camel hospital in this area. And as I said, also an 8 kilometer racing track that is used here. So quite a fun part-time here outside Dubai. I can see the jockeys on the back there, they were just hitting the camel so he goes a bit faster. So guys, we're almost back here at the entrance, 6 kilometers done, first round. What is that number? 18. 18, go, go, go. So there's a stadium over there as well where you can just see it, but it's more fun just to drive around actually with those guys. So those are all the camels that just finished the race here. Look at this.
Hey there, Sadiq. Yalla Sadiq. Be the photo go. Nah, pucha.
Oh. Oh, the guy walking around with the robotic jockeys. He's just going to mount it on the camels. So this is what a little robot jockey looks like. Look at this. And this one even has a little hat. Oh, how cool is that? So that's the start line. You can see the camels already waiting for their next race. Current race still ongoing. And this is the start line here. Oh, that's from the top. You can see the camels waiting their time. You can see the little robot jockey on top of the camels. I mean, they are there just to whip the camel to go faster. And those camels are just waiting their time. And I think One of the races is just finishing off and the next one is about to go. And those camels are getting ready here. Yeah, so they're just moving the camels now to the starting line. And this is the cool track here. Look at this, 6 kilometers. So, getting ready. Should start any moment. Getting in line. That's it. Go, 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 go. And on the left, they're just following. So guys, that's it from the Marmoom racetrack. Here, about an hour away from Dubai. Come here to the racetrack. See it for yourself. It's quite interesting. A good experience. Have fun. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Cheerio.